provided by Oracle or provided by OPEX. You can see here object browser. When we click on object browser, you can see here very beautiful left side. You can see from the object browser you can select your table, views, index. When you click on views, there is showing views. When you click on triggers, this will be showing your triggers. When you click any type of trigger, and then left side you Apex showing your code of trigger. This is a basic information, or you can see compile trigger, download, drop trigger, disable trigger, code. You can see from here code change from here. You can see SQL code from here. You can see here. It's a very beautiful workshop and SQL workshop part of Apex. You can say when I just click on ABC table, okay, you can see here table definition structure. You can see here the column name, data type, null label, default. You can see here data. You can see when you click on data, Apex showing your data. You can edit from here. Indexes, you indexes here, model, constant. You check apply constant from here. Statistic trigger, SQL RESTful sample query, create record from where you can create, drop, enable query. Everything which you doing on your database, you can query perform here. When you can on the right side plus short button, you can create your table, views, index, sequence, type. I just creating table. I just press on ABC1. You can see here column name type A. Select any type database type. I just press a number. B. I just press voucher. You can select here a range of number or voucher. I'm just not null identifier. Now when you click on next, this is a very beautiful feature. Other feature you can select just press on. You wanna create primary key or not? Apex created auto primary key indexes, and you can see indexes and index trigger sequence auto generated for you. No primary key. No primary key populate from a sequence, populate from a existing, not popular. I just press next. You can see here add foreign key. This is a very beautiful. You can create from a foreign key, disable, disallow, delete, cascade, delete, all function which your DBA working. You can all type of feature you can perform here. Then when you press next, this table will be created in your structure, database structure. Then they created, there's okay. When you created, this is shown in object browser here. Okay, and second, you can use SQL command. You can use here SQL select type any type of commands. Select static from ABC. You just press run. You can see here this at the bottom Apex would show you data. You can type any type. You can type any type of query here. You can, if you have complex query, you can save that query from here. You can put your query name here. I also save my some complex query here. This is save query 7 week ago, 7 week ago, 2 month ago. You can see here save query, also complex query save on Apex. This is showing your history. select query history. You can see here whose type of query you run on this. This is a result type. Okay, now we will discuss on SQL script. This you can see here. If you have or any type of script uh, in which you can script, you can see here any type of script which you wanna run on this SQL workshop, you can import here, upload. Then you when you upload, then that script would be listed here. Then you just press run. That script run automatically on this SQL workshop. Okay, I just showing that my host type of scripted I run it. I just showing you that I did say, for example, I created I created this type of two tables, two or three table or code database structure, DTL file, dump file. You can create, you can execute from here auto created database structure from your script. Okay, guys, SQL script utilities. Now we'll discuss a short discuss on utilities. Utility is also very beautiful part of Apex. All utilities you can see here: quick SQL, generate DDL, schema comparison, recycle bin. About this is all utility which your DBK or which your desire of regarding database, all query, all you need fulfill here SQL workshop utilities. Data workshop, quick SQL, sample database, query builder, all type of you can see the query builder. Okay, I will discuss in this generate DDL. You can see generate your DDL. When you create generate DDL, this generate or your script DDL script for your database for your database. Now we discuss very beautiful feature Quick SQL. Guys, this is a very beautiful feature for those developer or for those person who's don't know how to write a query, how to create a table, how to create a function. This is a very beautiful feature. If you any person don't know how to do SQL query, any type of query, then you this is a very beautiful feature for that person. Okay, I'm creating table. Say suppose I don't know any type of a table structure. I don't know any query how to create a table. I don't know how to write query. I don't know how to create table from SQL workshop. I just press write down here. I wanna create table. Just I press type here table name. I create table name. Write uh, A B C D. Okay, you just press enter. In the left side you can see here that Apex created auto created for you table sequence. You can I just press this space. I press A, then enter, then press D, then enter. You can see here Apex auto generated created for a table for you. Create table ABC. You can see here my table name here. Two type. This is auto generated number ID. ABC varchar 2. ABC. You can see here auto trigger insert up insert. This is auto sequence for, generated for you. This is a very you can create table view function any type of if you have no idea how to create that. Okay. Okay. Guys, this if you don't know how to use quick SQL, you just click here sample or help. You can data type table. Table data type. I would use this type of. Guys, if you want to create a table and also want to create a data, I just write this. When I click on next enter button, you can see here I wrote slash insert 10. It means that apex would be created 10 rows for my table or for me. You can see here this is a auto generated 10 rows instead to. You can see here this is a 10 row auto generated for you. This is a very beautiful feature for a beginner. Okay, you can I'm just clear here. Now I'm creating view in the front of you. I just type VIE view. I'm just view typing just view name. I'm view name, just press view name Ali Akbar, and I just type first table name, second table name. My table name is COA. We can see here table name from here. Yeah, we will create view on this table. I just paste here space, paste second name. When you enter this, you can see here database apex auto generated query for you. You can set here your join condition from here. You can say create view from all type here, select यहाँ पे. Okay, now I'm clearing that. Once more thing, I'm creating table ABC, A, B, C. I'm just press space. You can see here we can data change data type from here. I'm changing C data type. I'm just press VC and press 50. You can see here bars are 50 created. If I want to 8 want to change data type, I'm just press number. You need to press enter. You can see here database generating number. Okay guys, uh, now we will discuss on app.